Hi, I'm Glenn Sigley, president of Omega Design Corporation in Exton, Pennsylvania. We've standardized on a Domino Ax350i continuous inkjet printer for all of our CIJ applications. For over 45 years, we've been making quality packaging automation solutions for our pharmaceutical customers. And in 2007, we introduced serialization to meet the emerging global requirements to protect the pharmaceutical supply chain. We're the only provider that focuses on material handling and controls integration. We do what we do best and let your serialization providers provide what they do best.
Hi, I'm Al Dubek. I'm the project management manager at Omega Design. When it comes to serialization, our customers are looking for high efficiency, high throughput, low number of rejects, and overall reliability. The technology inside the AX printer allows for better drop control, so that equates to less waste, better ink consumption, better quality codes.
The design flexibility of the Quick Step 3 directly responds to our customers' request for less devices on the machines. They can go to one terminal to access all the machine's attributes.
So I think the new user interface will be a benefit to our customers. Everyone's familiar with smartphones and tablets, so just swiping left and right, pulling down menus is very intuitive and very easy to use.
And the new Quick Step 3 software platform gives us integration flexibility by either using the Domino terminal, we can use a web browser, or we can use a Domino app to integrate the software on our PC HMI. Our success in our serialization solutions is very dependent on our strong relationships with key partners for software and for devices on our modules. We've chosen Domino as our standard provider because of their superior service, their superior technology in our products, and the strong partnership in our supply chain for our rapid deployment and remote integration product lines. Thanks to the new Ax350i to help us improve our products to improve the solutions for our customers.